is an important task that will help you understand the guest's individual requests and needs for their stay. Let's start by creating a new reservation. There are two ways to do this. One way is by using the New Reservation link on the dashboard. The other way is found in the Front Office drop-down menu called New Reservation. Either action will display the Create a Reservation screen. Now, let's begin by making a basic reservation as we examine the various fields. On the Create a Reservation screen, the first thing you will notice just under the page title is the Guest Information section containing a button titled Find a Guest. This button will enable you to attach a guest profile to a reservation. One of the great benefits of using Synexus Property Hub is, if a guest has stayed at any Wyndham property previously, they may have an existing profile that could be linked to the reservation. Using this link, you can search for a guest profile by first and last name and postal code, or by their Wyndham Rewards member number. After entering the guest's information, tap the Find Guest button to search for a profile. When the search results display, you are able to verify the address and phone number before selecting the profile. If no results are returned, tap the Go Back link or tap the Add a Guest button to create a new guest profile. Once a guest profile has been attached, you will need to complete the Availability section. This is where the basic reservation information is entered. The first option is to select the check-in and check-out dates, which will automatically update the number of nights field. Next, select the number of rooms. Each room makes a separate reservation, and you have the ability to create up to 9 reservations at one time. When making multiple room reservations, the rooms will all be created with the same guest profile and guarantee method. Please note, these are individual reservations for each additional room, and you will have the ability to edit them. Next, update the number of adults and children on the reservation as needed. After entering the reservation criteria, you'll notice the Find Access Codes link. The Find Access Codes is used to search for and attach a company or group profile to a reservation. To complete an availability search, you can click the Search button or scroll down to apply additional filters, such as a specific room type. These additional filters allow the viewing of rate plans that are unavailable due to restrictions or lack of inventory. Additionally, the Lookup Rate Plans link may be used to search for a specific desired rate plan. After clicking Search, the updated availability will display on the right side of the screen. Tap the Rate Plan display to view all the open available rates. For this example, we will use Best Available Rate, RROD. To complete the reservation, tap the drop-down arrow to the right of the rate amount to access the Select button. For quoting purposes, before tapping Select, tap the Show Details link to open more details about the reservation. The expanded details will provide the total amount for the stay, including taxes and fees. The booking policy will also be displayed, so you can provide the cancellation policy and any deposit requirements. Please be aware, depending on your screen resolution, you may need to scroll down to see all the details for the rate plan. To select the room type and rate plan, scroll back up and tap the green Select button located at the top of the Show Details section to continue with the booking. After tapping the Select button, an add-ons screen will display. Add-ons are additional charges added to a reservation, such as a pet fee, rollaway, or a safe fee. To attach an add-on to a reservation, tap the Select button. When an add-on is selected, a window will open displaying the details for pricing, taxes and fees, and dates. The window also allows you to select the quantity per room. Tap Add to Reservation to proceed. When selecting an add-on, tap the Continue Booking button to proceed. If no add-on is requested, tap the Skip Add-ons button to continue. The final screen in the reservation is where a guest profile can be attached if it was not attached earlier, and where you enter a guarantee method, select the source, and verify the market code. Since you attached a guest profile at the beginning, you can move on to the guarantee method. To enter the guarantee method, select from the drop-down menu. More required fields may appear. For example, if you select a credit card type, the next required field is to select credit or debit. After making the credit or debit selection, the Manual Entry Credit Card section will display. Enter the card account number and expiration date, then tap the Submit button. Next is the Reservation Information section. Here you can add room requests, attach a company profile if applicable and not added earlier, and select the source. Please note the market code will pre-populate based on the rate plan selected. At the bottom of this section, there is an option to send a confirmation email to the guest. If the guest has an email address in their profile, check the box and the confirmation letter will be sent automatically. To complete the reservation process, press the green Book button. Now the reservation has been completed. Press or tap Next to continue.